Jimmy, great reporting there. Now, the St. Anthony's Secondary School is taking a major step and a major leap into renewable energy, as the educational institution is the first in the Caribbean region to use the wind bush product to power its buildings and classrooms. You might be hearing that for the first time. Wind bush. So, Terry Andrew will be looking into this. The school is not only educating the students on renewable energy, but also by putting it into practice for their everyday use. So here now is Terry Andrew to explain how this innovative technology works. Take a look.
Known as the wind bush, the technology is composed of 12 AeroLeaves equipped with a solar petal mounted on 4 trunks connected to each other. The wind bush uses both wind and the sun to generate energy, and the St. Anthony's Secondary School is making full use of the product here on Ireland. The wind bush is created by New World Wind, a company based in France that has been a player in the world of energy since 2017. The company's representative here in Ireland provides details on the product.
The maximum power is 4.6 kilowatts. Okay, the way it works, it's the solar panel and the windmill. The both works together to reach the maximum energy during the day. And the wind bush works during the day and the night, because during the night the winds never stop. It continues to push the windmill to turn and produce energy.
Director and Treasurer at St. Anthony's Secondary School, Didier Bullis-Callias, says the wind bush will power the school's cafeteria and parts of the tertiary level building.
We run 10 classrooms, administrations on the tertiary building side, and we are running a full-fledged cafeteria with kitchens, high efficiency energy equipment inside of it, but it runs from 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. every day. And what you have behind us, between the 2 wind bush that we have now added on, we have 31 kilowatt of power from the solar system, 140 panel, 11 batteries that help us to obviously lower down the cost of what it will take us from running a cafeteria. As a non-for-profit school, it will defeat the purpose to have a cafeteria and have to pay this astronomical amount of electricity bill. That's the reality of it. In order for us to make a meal that are affordable for the children, we needed to find a solution, and the solution was renewable energy with the solar and the wind.
While installation has not yet been completed, the idea of generating renewable energy is also being used as an education tool within the institution.
St. Anthony's is all about teaching the children and teaching them what's out there in the world and how they can use it right here at home in Antigua. St. Anthony's looks further and further away than what we have here, and this opportunity to have using wind for energy at the school, it's great for the school to reduce our carbon footprint, but it's a total experience for the students to see something like this and to understand how it's all put together. It's a learning experience.
St. Anthony's Secondary going green for its student population and the greater environmental sustainability. Terry Andrew, ABS News.